Want to know what it's like to live on campus at Orchard Park with UC Davis student housing and dining services? Here's what you need to know. Orchard Park is an on-campus apartment complex here at UC Davis. There are 11 four-story residential buildings and 2 community buildings, and each community building has fitness rooms and study/meeting spaces. There are a few housing options available to you for added flexibility, leases and contracts. And depending on your housing option, your unit is available fully furnished or unfurnished. Both options come standard with stainless steel kitchen appliances, closet space, and central heating and AC, and your utilities are included in rent costs. There are also laundry options available on each floor or in your unit, depending on your housing option. When you live at Orchard Park, you'll have a resident assistant who will help you with any questions, plan social events, and resolve any roommate conflicts. Orchard Park also features open outdoor space, a tot lot, and a network of bike/pedestrian paths. Parking will be offered in 2 surface parking lots as well as on-street parking. However, it is not guaranteed. Speaking of transportation, there is a Unitrans bus stop conveniently located on Russell Boulevard, so you can easily travel further into campus and into the rest of Davis. For all your nourishment needs, there are restaurants and shopping within walking distance. Orchard Park is a great place to live here at UC Davis. If you want to learn more, check out orchardpark.ucdavis.edu or email us at studenthousing@ucdavis.edu.